Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out your Form 1040 Individual Income Tax Return. First, collect all your income documents like Form W-2s and Form 1099. Next, choose your correct filing status, whether you are single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Finally, confirm if you can be claimed as a dependent, as this impacts your eligibility for certain credits and deductions. This initial preparation is key for a smooth filing process. Once your documents are ready, accurately report all your income sources, from your salary to any investment earnings. Then, calculate your adjusted gross income by subtracting qualified deductions, which can lower your taxable income. Don't forget to claim any tax credits you qualify for, as these directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. For example, a $1,000 credit reduces your tax bill by $1,000. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money and build lasting wealth, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth. It offers fantastic insights into financial independence. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After accounting for income and deductions, you'll use the IRS tax tables to find your total tax liability. This is the amount you actually owe based on your taxable income. Next, compare this total tax to what you've already paid through withholding or estimated payments. If you've paid more than you owe, you'll receive a refund. If you've paid less, you'll need to pay the difference to the IRS.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.